welcome back for an episode of more videos, and today you didn't see that, I got a brand new thing. It spins too. It is a Zodiac glow-in-the-dark fidget spinner, y'all. This is my mom, my dad, this is me. Mine's not on here. There's like 7, there's like 15, I believe. Anyway, let's see this LED light up. Alright. Actually, I gotta get the camera straight. There we are. Now it's bright on this side, that's why I'm showing it on this side. Let's make it slower. Yeah, epilepsy warning, everyone. Look at that. Let's try the faster. Epilepsy warning. Sorry, not everyone can see this. Because I have epilepsy, probably. So I'm going to put an epilepsy warning on this. Yep, guys. Yep. So yeah, I just got this. I ordered this. I got this ordered, actually. Someone else ordered it. But yeah, y'all. Thank you for everything, guys. I'm so happy that I only have 5 subscribers. Actually, that's quite sad, but still, I'm just 5 is better than nothing. Am I right? Thank you, you 5 people who subscribed. Yeah. See you all next time. Goodbye.